Hi dear dancers! Today let's speak about dance improvisation. Dance improvisation has many benefits like muscle development, cardiovascular, body perception, coordination, musicality and much more. Why dance improvisation? Because it makes a lot of fun and it can be used even instead of Pilates, yoga or even meditation. But why? Because you will move with concentration on your body or environment. The best thing in dance improvisation is that you will move or adjust optimal movements to your body, and you will choose a style or music which you like. By learning different styles, you can meet pattern of movements which doesn't fix to your body, and it can cause the pain or even injury. However, dance improvisation it's only you and your body. The biggest question is how to start dance improvisation. Remember, you never just move, you're making a research of your body. You need to have a clear task. For example, what type of movements you can make only with the neck? Elbows. Feet. Or different directions. Take it easy and start very simple, slowly expanded tasks, like add more part of your bodies or direction, musical accent and so on. The golden rule is to start very slowly and to have a clear task on what exactly you focused. At some point can happen that you will get tired of moving all the time the same, but exactly at that moment you will start to search for new ways and discover yourself. Enjoy the music, enjoy your body and have fun.